Hi, I am Mayank Khanna. I have completed my graduation from Amity University, Noida, and I am a CS major.
I'm Kashish, and I have completed my BTech from SRM.
My name is Divas Gupta. I have passed out from NIT Durgapur as a chemical engineering major.
Having an entrepreneurial mindset, I wanted a setting where I was able to interact with people. This is what I expected, and technically, this is what I'm getting as well. So it is a very happy journey for me as of now.
Apart from diving into the field of data science, I also wished to enhance and learn about how to maintain work-life balance and also enhance my personal skills.
As we are just freshly graduated BTech people, we haven't been exposed to much industrial experience. So through this Alchemy program, we're able to have hands-on experience.
Alchemy program is designed as a comprehensive transition from campus to corporate. So for me and for everybody else, it is a program that is helping the new joiners acquire the skill sets that will help you solve a problem in a very efficient way, and also to satisfy the clients, because that is the end goal.
The best part of the Alchemy program is that they are not just teaching you like a regular course, they are also helping you to get to know how things will be when you are in the actual project.
They are just not providing us with the materials or some sort, but they are giving us real life scenarios. It is being presented to us as a case study. So we are able to relate to it and work on it effectively.
That everyone here is actually very happy working in this environment, because you'll grow your knowledge, that is okay, but at the same time you'll make friends and you'll be at a place where the work environment is really healthy.
I approached the senior management in this company, and as a BTech graduate, I wasn't expecting that they will reply to my conversations, but they were open for conversation and they were giving me good advice, like how I should grow and what are the things I should learn about this industry.
Tredence was the only place that was expanding my horizontals and, helping me explore what else is there out in the world and what am I missing technically. So being from an engineering background, this was a very good setting that I had, and hence Tredence for me.